Hello, how's going today? Welcome back. Alright, welcome to my chicken burgers. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, so for my chicken burgers, I use my quick KFC chicken recipe, which is the same coating as I use on my wedges. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we need chicken thigh fillets. Alright, so I've grabbed 2 trays of them, so there's about 9 here. Now we just want to pull our thigh fillet out and trim her up. Now when you trim it up, you can't help but get this thin layer of fat on it, and that's what you kind of want anyway, because that's beautiful with the coating. You just want to get out, see how there's a bone in there, isn't that horrible? Just any bones or any loose big chunks, okay? Take them off. Now you want to grab some sort of a freezer bag and get your little mullet out. Mullet? Get your little hammer thingy out. If you haven't got one, get a hammer out and put some glad wrap over it or something. Alright, now we just want to beat it, but we don't want to do it hard, okay? We want to give it a light touch up. Just on the two, the fatter bits. Just a light touch up. Turn it over. Another light touch up. I'm not doing that hard. Alright, and into the bowl she goes, a big bowl, and keep going. Okay, clean the bench down, got them all beaten up, in the bowl they are. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is make up a coating to pour all over them. So you need a jug and a whisk. You need to put 2 eggs in there. Whisk them up really well. Now we want to put 2 cups of milk in there. Now with the times the way they are at the moment, and it's really hard to get out for a lot of you guys that are in lockdown, if you grab yourselves these UHT milks, which are the milks you can just put in the cupboard, the best thing to do is when you're in a situation like that is to use these for all your cooking. So your mashed potato, your custards, anything you want to cook, use your UHT milks. That way you save your precious fresh milk for your cereals and your coffees and stuff, So yeah, definitely grab them and put them in the cupboard, because rather than wasting all your fresh milk, these are awesome to use for cooking. Alright, 2 cups of milk in there. Whisk it really well. I've already been doing it. Okay, and then we want to pour it over our chicken. Make sure yeah. Alright, with your fingers push all the chicken in. Okay, now we're going to cover that with glad wrap and stick it on the fridge, stick it in the fridge while we do everything else. So if you like your chicken burger with bacon, the next thing we're going to do is fry up some bacon, put it on a plate and set it aside. I like just using these IGA hamburger rolls. They're cheap, they're $4 a pack, and they're really soft rolls. Alright, layer the bottom with cheese. Like so. Put it on there, put them all onto a plate, as many as you need. Once we've got them all ready to go, just wrap some glad wrap over them, stick them on the table, and there's the first thing in our line. Now the next thing you want to do is just get out some lettuce and chop that up, put it in a bowl and put it there, get the mayo ready. Oh, that bacon, I've got the bacon going. I usually use 3 slices of bacon per burger, and any other thing you want to get ready, get them all lined up. Oh yeah, baby. Now for the coating for the chicken, you want to get a big bowl. You want to put 2 cups of plain flour in there. We want 4 tablespoons of seasoned salt. Normally it was just called seasonal, now they've added the seasoned salt part to it. So either or both. 4 tablespoons. Alright, you want 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And we want 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now I've run out of paprika and I found this really old sweet paprika, so let's hope it works. You can have any sort you want, sweet, normal, hot. Now we want 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. As soon as we've mixed that up really well, get yourself a plate with your paper and your tongs and that all ready. Grab out your deep fryer. You want to put 2 litres of canola oil in. If you don't have canola oil, use whatever oil you've got. It really doesn't matter, okay? 2 litres of that in. Get it nice and hot, and we're ready to go. Oil's nice and hot. Get one of your pieces. Stand there and drain it really well. Flick it, flick a bit on it. You see from there? Yeah. Okay, give it a good shake off, and straight into your hot oil. I'd stick 2 of the smaller ones in together, or you just do one big one at a time. So now you cook it until it's dark, yummy, brown. I've never timed them before, to be honest. So around 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. If you're really unsure, just take one out and cut it and see, and then you'll know for the next lot and the next lot. But we are doing the thighs, so they don't take as long to cook as the breast. Alrighty, the fun part, putting it together. Okay, so like I said, if you're just unsure, I just grabbed the really fat part and cut it, and it's cooked perfect. Alright, so first thing we do is open up our roll with our cheese in it. You want to get some mayo. Okay, try again. Now layer up your chicken, however many pieces you want. That's totally up to you. I mean, come on, you've got to make it nice and big, right? Stick in as many as I can get in there. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, now we put our bacon. Our lettuce. Boom. There you have it, my friends. Best burgers in town. Oh yeah. Gotta try them. Unfortunately, my cameras and my lighting just does not do it justice. They look amazing. Oi, have an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you really soon. Bye.